Okay, the first step is to stop the pump. So there is a plug over here. The plug that below that, the first one, the one below it, unplug it, and the pump will stop. Then we lift this up. Take out these, and then put this one. Leave the smaller pipes in the bucket. Put the wider one into the tank. And press this a few times. The water will start flowing. And wait until the water roughly hit the 2-gallon mark on the bucket. Inside the bucket, you can see the the scale, and it will reach around 2 gallon, or it will be roughly the water down over the half of the tank. That is how much of water we want to pump out. Yeah, so the water right now is roughly 2 gallon, and we can just lift this up. Then we dump the water. You can dump the water to the toilet in the first floor. Just dump it here. We can leave this here because we're not going to use it. So now we add 2 gallon fresh water. The easiest way is just put it into the kitchen sink. And make sure it's cold water. Let's start. And similarly, you can see the 2 gallon mark over here. Just need 2 gallons. Okay, so now we have 2 gallons of water. And we bring it here. We need to add this, which is a water conditioner. So there is a marker on the cap that indicates 1 milliliter. So we just pour a little bit into this to kind of roughly match that mark. It can be a little bit more than that, it should be okay. And then we just pour this into the bucket. So we can let the water sit a little bit, or we can just start pouring the water in. So to pour the water in, usually I just use this to kind of get some water and then gradually pour it in. If you would like to use a pump, you can also do that by putting the bucket on the stairs, but so that the water can flowing down through the pump. But I feel this way is easier. So the final bit of the water, we can just pour it directly from the bucket.
Just the final bits.
Okay, and we can put the stuff back into the bucket. And then now we plug back the filter in. So usually I use this small cup to get some water and then pouring into the filter a little bit. This you can speed up the pump. Yeah. So once you have enough water inside, it will start pumping water out. So the pump have a little indicator. When you put this in, if the filter needs to be changed, the top will be colored red. And if it's colored blue, then it's fine. We're going to put it back in, and this one will show color after the water come out. Give it a minute or so, the pump will start working, and then we're done. Then maybe we can also, after we put the water, change the water, we can refill the feeder. So we have this. This is for goldfish. So we can just put.
You take the spoon.
Yeah, we put one. So there's a spoon inside. We take roughly half spoon each block. Then it will be enough for the fishes. So each day the fish will get one little square of the food. So I guess depending on when do we come to refill it, it will have some squares left without food. We can just refill all of them. That's fine. That's pretty much it. So if there are any questions, you can text us and we'll try to get back to you. Thank you for helping us feed the fish and change the water.
What about the filter?
Oh yeah, good question. So I mentioned the filter. So if the filter needs to change, we have new filters here. So what we do is we'll just take out one of the filters. Take out one of the filters, and we need to rinse it a little bit with the water. Rinse it so that the dust on top of it will be gone. Then we can just go in back this part, the cap. Then we can take the old filter out. So if there is a lot of dirty stuff on it, we can put it on the side. And then put this back in. Put the new filter back in. So there are slots that the filters can fit into. You just slide it in, and it's good to go. You can put the top back. That'll be good. All right. Any more questions, Tina?
No.
All right. Thank you.